Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Today's video is a candy tasting video. I purchased this candy from eBay. It is supposed to be Mexican candy. I've never ever tried Mexican candy. I thought this would be fun. It's something a little different and I get to try sweets and candy. So guys, this little box, it's not a big box, quite a small box. This box cost me $9.99 plus £3.20 postage second class. If I can find the seller, I will link it in the description below. I have had this box probably for about a month. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and open it up. Oh my gosh, I have never seen this type of candy before. Okay guys, let's have a look and see what we got. So the first thing that I got is this Bigfoot Spicy Picante. Guys, I have noticed that this was the 10th of February 2021. I'm still going to try these snacks out. I'm not really worried they're slightly out of date. But I have had this box for quite a while. If I had have bought this box and used it when I got it, it would have been totally fine. Maybe I've had this box longer than a month because the date's the 10th of February. Anyway, guys, it doesn't really matter. So we're going to go ahead and try these. These are Bigfoot Spicy. They're the giant cheese snack. So let's go ahead and open these little snacks. Oh my gosh. These are red. I opened these so bad. These are super red. They look like Bigfoot. They look super spicy. I hope they're not too spicy. But we're going to go ahead and try them. So guys, these are guys, these weren't spicy to start off with. The heat kind of builds up and it has a firm kick. They are really spicy. I expected them to be a little bit like Flamin' Hot Cheetos. They're not as sweet as Flamin' Hot Cheetos. They've got a more defined heat and it does gradually build up and kind of take over a little bit. I probably couldn't eat all of these, but they still taste really fresh. 25 gram bag. Those, they're nice, but they're hot. Okay guys, let's see what else we've got inside this bag. Oh, we have some. Okay, so I don't know if these to me look European more than Mexican. I don't know if you can get them in Mexico. If you can, let me know in the comment section below. These are sandwich cookies. They're vanilla. They're 14% less sugar added and they're no trans fats. This is just a little snack pack. Let's go ahead and open these and see what we have. Okay, these look like little waffles. Quite cute, cream filled, kind of cute and adorable. Let's try them out. These little cookies are really delicious. You can taste the vanilla. The biscuit is very sweet, very crunchy, which I like in a biscuit or a cookie. Really nice. Nothing really special. Taste a lot like biscuits that we can get here. So I don't think this is anything special, but it is still nice to have, and I definitely will snack away on those. Let's see what else we've got. Okay guys, we have a couple of small little, oh my goodness, we have a little lollipop. This is a bonbon bum. Oh dear. And it is a bubblegum pop. Guys, I'm not going to eat this, but I will open it and show you guys. It is just a little lollipop. Smells strawberry. It is strawberry. and it has gum in the center. I'm not going to open that little lollipop just because we know what flavor it is. The next thing we've got is this bubbly. Does it tell us anything on the back? It says Charles Chocolates. Not really sure what this little chocolate is. It's a chocolate covered peanut. Guys, unfortunately, I have a nut allergy. So I will not be trying this little candy out. I'm not even going to open it. We're just going to assume that this is a chocolate wafer covered peanut. Sorry guys on that one. Just don't want to get sick. Let's see what else we've got. We've got these Tropical Sun all natural plantain chips, and they're lightly salted. So these are just banana chips, I think. They're free from MSG, which is awesome. They don't have any artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. You're getting a 40-gram bag. Let's open these up and have a look. Oh my gosh. These are so different. I've never seen anything like this before. They're super thin. You can definitely see they're salted. They definitely look, I don't know if a banana and a plantain are the same thing, but it definitely looks very banana-like. These are so good. They've just got a hint of salt. And they're very, very crispy. These are really strange. I have never seen anything like this before. But if I did, I would definitely pick this up. It's kind of very potato-like, but different. Guys, these are definitely a thumbs up for me. Really, really nice. The next thing that I got in this box are cheese crunchies, real cheese bites. Best before July of this year. That's okay. They probably won't last that long. Oh wow, these are orange cheesy little cheese bites. Really strong cheese flavor. Totally okay with that. I do like cheese flavored savory treats. Nice, crunchy, packed full of cheesy flavor. These are definitely my favorite so far. We have two bottles of this chubby Cola Champion. It is a carbonated beverage, and that's all it says. It's a Cola Champion Smack. Guys, I don't know if these are made in Mexico or they're actually traditional Mexican snacks. If you guys know a lot more about these products than I do, definitely let me know in the comment section below. But so this is a cola flavored, and we have two. This is a cola flavored drink. You are getting 100 milliliters. Are we getting 100? No, 250 milliliters in this little bottle. The funny thing is, though, it looks red. So that's a bit strange. We still have the carbonation. It's just, can you see? It's completely red. And we're going to pour out a little drink. Not a whole lot of carbonation in it, but this is a really nice drink. Would I say it's cola? I definitely don't think so. It tastes very fruity, almost like a berry drink, more than cola. Would be so much nicer if it was colder. I'll pop the rest in the fridge and see if it tastes nicer in the fridge. It's not hugely carbonated, which is something I really, really like. I don't like overly carbonated drinks. This is really nice, really refreshing. Love the little stubby bottles that it comes in. I think that's really, really cute. If you guys know is this generated in, see, to me, this looks German. I don't know if this is a German snack that's popular in Mexico. If it is, let me know in the comment section below if you guys know. Let's see what else we've got. Okay, guys, we have 2 packs of these banana chips. These are in the flavor original. They're made by St. Mary's. And you've got a net weight of 30 grams. They're gluten-free, no cholesterol, they're no MSG, and they have 0 trans fats. You can get them in multiple different flavors. So we're going to go ahead and try a pack. Let's get these open. Okay, inside of the pack looks just like this. Like the fact that these are super thin. I have had banana chips before that are quite thick, and they're hard to really chew. So I like the fact that they're thin. They look like a little chip. Really, really not too dissimilar from the plantain chips. I don't know if there's any difference, but okay, guys. Both of these snacks taste very similar. This one just has a little more salt. The banana chip is slightly sweeter, but really, really not too dissimilar. We do have another bag of them here. We'll just pop those off to the side. Guys, we now have another Buttercrust product. These are butter cookies. They're crunchy and delicious. Also no trans fats, and they're lunch kit approved. I like that. Again, guys, to me, some of these items seem German, that they're manufactured in Germany. If they are popular in Mexico, I don't know. I've never been to Mexico, but I definitely purchased a Mexican treat box. So I'm hoping some of these items are from there. So guys, this is just a standard little butter cookie. Pattern on the front and just standard on the back. That is a gorgeous butter cookie. This is a nice cookie. These are delicious. I would definitely be interested in purchasing these little cookies again. Guys, let's see what else we have. We have just a couple more things in the bottom of the box. So guys, we have a number of hard candies. Let's have a look at this one. This almost looks like an apple tart candy. I can't really make out who this is. Columbinia. I'm not sure how to say that. It's just a hard candy. We've got 2 different types. We've got this little blue stripy one, and we have a number of the little fruity ones. And guys, the last packet that we have are these Nibbles chocolate chip cookies, and they're made by Mudsy. I'm not really sure. These are produced in Trinidad and Tobago. So it's pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and have a taste of these little nibbles. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Little chocolate chip cookies dusted in some fine powder. Let's go ahead and taste it. They're really nice chocolate chip cookies. Really, really tasty. Full of chocolate chips. They're definitely not my favorite though. My favorite thing in this entire haul are these gorgeous butter cookies. These are delicious. They're crunchy, full of flavor, really creamy. Definitely my favorite item in this haul. Well, guys, that is all of my Mexican nibbles that I purchased. Guys, if I can find the link to the seller, I will pop it in the description for you guys below if you're interested in purchasing your own little taste of a foreign land. I love trying different foods from other countries. Do have to be a little careful with my nut allergy, guys. That's why I can't open the other item. But I'm all in all, for the price that I paid for this little snack box, including delivery, I'm definitely a very happy person. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to be notified of any future videos, don't forget about that notification bell. And if you guys would like to join us and watch more of these videos, don't forget to subscribe. We would absolutely love to have you here. Guys, please take care. Look out for each other. Stay safe. I'm going to catch you next time. Bye, everybody. Bye.